Today I want us to look at the mathematical trick in getting somebody's number. You can get the number of the lady you are admiring just using mathematics without her knowing. Use your mathematics. And so let's go in and take these following steps. Follow the steps very carefully to the end of the video and you will not miss out, because after taking the answer the person has calculated, you need a few steps to drive the phone number from that person's result. And so I want you to like and subscribe this video so that we can share more onto you, and so you can be updated at any time I upload a video onto my platform. And in fact, let's go very quickly. So the first step is enter the first 3 digits of your phone number. So these steps you ask the person to do. You don't let the person show you the phone number. Let the person do. Just be asking the questions. That's whatever she want to do it. Get it? And now you only receive the result from him or her, and then you get the number out of it. That is it. Alright. So the first step, we will say that ask the person to enter the first 3 digits of the phone number. You multiply the result by 25. Multiply this result by 40. You have the next 3 digits of the phone number. Multiply the result by 50. Add 1 to the result and multiply the result by 400. Add the last 4 digits of the remaining phone number, and then finally you repeat the last 4 digits of the phone number again. Okay, so let's take a practical example. I wanted to look at the demonstration of what I am talking about here. So in our demonstration, we are going to use the phone number on the screen, 0563493832, to do our demonstration. So the first step is saying that enter the first 3 digits of your phone number. So I assume I am the one that you are asking, so I am entering it. So I enter the first 3 digits, which is 056. Say the next step, multiply by 25. So times 25 equal sign. Multiply the result by 40. So I don't clear the calculator. I multiply the result, the answer, by 40 equal sign. Add the next 3 digits of the phone number. So I add the next 3 digits. So our next 3 digits is 349. So 349 equal sign. Follow up. You see the result is also following up over there, and then you confirm it from the calculator. The next one is saying that multiply the result by 50. So times 50 equal sign. Then add 1 to this result plus 1 equal sign. Now multiply the result by 400. Multiply the result by 400. So after this, to multiply by 400, you add the last 4 digits of the phone number. So I add the last 4 digits. So in our case it's 3832. 3832. Then you hit the equal sign. Finally, you add the last 4 digits again. Add the last 4 digits again. 3832. Then you hit the equal sign. Now you can see that the result is 11269888064. It doesn't tally the phone number at all. You can see that phone number over there. So the person will not know that, oh, I just taking my phone number like that. Then this I was part to do. Just let the person mention the answer for you. Then I'll pick this answer, divide by 2. Divide by 2. Hit the equal sign. You can see that we are coming out of the answer small, but it's not tallying exactly. So now you subtract 200 from the result, hit the equal sign, and there we go. So remember, the 0 will not come because in the calculator the 0 is not any digit, it's an empty digit. You don't have to put it. So So we have the number as 0563493832, exactly what we are looking for. And then you have gotten it. Wow, that is wonderful. In fact, if you like this video, subscribe also and share to bless a friend. Okay, and remember, always let the person press the equal sign, because when you don't press the equal sign, you might miss both mass. Any step, let the person press the equal sign, but don't clear it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I love you all. Continue to watch my videos, and I'll continue to give you more of such. You continue to get that lady number.